Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1967 Plymouth Belvedere. Pretty car, guys. Red on red. Love the color combination. Really cool car, guys. My buddy out of Tennessee got this car for me, so we got a little bit of history actually with this car. It's only got 42,000 original miles on it. Most of those miles are actually spent on a racetrack. This car was a race car for most of its life. Older gentleman we got it from actually took the car and built it into a street car, but it still has a little bit of that race car attitude, if you know what I mean. Super cool car, 440, built 440, 4-speed, 8 3/4, 411 sure grip rear end, and a nice car, guys. We actually added the torque thrust D's. Car had steel wheels and dog dish hubcaps. I'm not a big fan of those. Those are in the trunk, they go with it. We also added disc brakes to the car so you know you can stop it. But very cool car. Again, red on red, real pretty color combination. Healthy 440. I mean, this thing is fun to bang the gears. Great car. Where most of the stainless and the trim is actually original on this car, and it's in pretty doggone good shape. Car, you can definitely nitpick the bumpers. They're original, and they show some age. Pretty paint. It's got that super stock scoop on it. It looks warm, guys. It's not. It's absolutely freezing. Radio delete, so they got a radio delete plug in it. Glass is very nice. I've only seen a couple of little marks in it. Pretty paint. If we can ever get to, there we go. All that sunshine, man. We don't know what to do with the sun here. Really good looking car. You can see how nice the trim is. Few little marks there. Pretty doggone nice, guys. Paint's really slick. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick in the paint. Of course, I love this body style. This is actually my favorite body style. Look how nice and flat that thing is down the sides. This car's got all the original body panels on it. Love the wheels and tires. There's a 15-inch torque D's. Good rubber all the way around it. Again, you can nitpick that rear bumper. Good looking car, real pretty car. Again, does have the front disc brakes. The power that this thing's got, you definitely want to stop it. Healthy 440, guys. When we fire this thing up, it just beats the ground. Quickfuel dual feed 400 or 4-barrel on it. Mopar aluminum intake. You can see it's got headers. It's manual steering. It is manual front disc brakes, but it's been upgraded to the dual line master cylinder as well. Chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner, electronic ignition. It's got a high volume aluminum water pump on it. Aluminum radiator. Of course, it's 4-speed manual trans. And fun car to drive, guys. It's got a deep oil pan on it. It's got frame connectors. They did a really nice job on those. It's got a preloaded spring setup, leaf spring setup in the rear, scatter shield bell housing. Yeah, that's a neat car. Mirror's pretty doggone nice. Again, that glass, I saw a few little marks in the glass, but the glass looks good. Original door handles. Sorry, a little rubbing compound from the boys were rubbing it out. I love the red interior. Original sill plates. Factory bench seat, that's all repadded and foamed, recovered and foamed, sorry. Rear seat I think's been done too, that's awfully nice. Headliner's nice. It's got the Hurst shifter in it. 42,058, and that is supposed to be the right miles, guys. Quarter mile at a time. Factory dash, he's got some aftermarket gauges. It's a radio delete. Park brake works. There's no heater in the car. It's a Thrush dual exhaust system on its H-pipe dual exhaust system, 8 3/4, 411 Sure Grip. I have ordered the new trunk seal for here too. They've relocated the battery to the trunk. Here's your steel wheels and caps. Both sets of wheels come with the car. It's all body color in here. If I can show you the trunk floor, if I can reach it here. Sorry guys. See, it's all body color. Original insulation still on the quarters. Again, car's very nice underneath. We got it up in the air. Got you some good pictures of the bottom of the car. Car's nice. Really good car. Whoever gets this thing, man, is going to have a blast with this car. The boys took it for a ride yesterday, and Jordy and Dale were loving it. New floor mats. Dash is in good shape. Car shifts out good. We'll have Dale fire it up here, making his video debut. Believe me, the boys have been waiting for this. You hear that cam working? This thing scoots, guys. That's a good looking car, man. Fuel gauge works. Gauge works up there. Tach. A little rev there. Parking brake does work. Remember, parking brake's on, Dale. Hit your brakes, Dale. No, hit your brakes. There you go. Hopefully you can see that behind you. Nope. Left turn signal. There you go. Right turn signal. I don't think the backup lights are working. Well, that car sounds good. low pressure. Again, tach works. Doors open and close nice. Wipers. Headlights. Let's turn things up. Headlights. Bright switch. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Oh, damn. He didn't disappoint. Have a great day, guys.